Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா ஹெல்த் அண்ட் ஹைஜீன். Introduction. The World Health refers to a state of complete emotional and physical well-being. Healthcare exists to help people maintain this optimal state of health. As defined by the WHO, it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity. Health is a dynamic condition resulting from your body constant adjustment and adaptation in response to stresses and change in the environment for maintaining an inner equilibrium called homeostasis. Hygiene. Hygiene is a science of the establishment and maintenance of health conditions or practices as of cleanliness conducive to health as poor personal hygiene. Brushing your teeth regularly is an important part of good oral hygiene. Hygiene is the practice of keeping yourself and your surroundings clean, especially in order to prevent illness or the spread of diseases. Components of food. The chemical constituents of food which give us energy, help to build our body and protect us from diseases are called nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Nutrients. Proteins கீழே chicken, nuts, grams, soya beans. Vitamins கீழே fruits, vegetables, meat and grains. Water கீழே drinking water, juices. Minerals கீழே spinach, egg, fruits, milk and fish. Carbohydrates கீழே maize, nuts, fruits, lentils, rice. Fats கீழே fish, ghee, milk, egg yolks and meat. What is meant by carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are energy giving component of the food. We can obtain carbohydrates in the form of sugar, starch and dietary fibers. Form of carbohydrates and their sources: sugar, fruits, honey, sugar cane, sugar beet, starch, rice, wheat, maize and potato. Dietary fibers: whole grains, nuts, etc. Fats கீழே. Fat is also an energy giving food and provides more energy than carbohydrates. Some important sources of fats are butter, ghee, milk, cheese, paneer, nuts, meat, egg yolk, fish, etc. Apart from giving energy, they insulate our body and protect the cells. What is meant by protein? Bodybuilding foods. Proteins are necessary for our growth and repair, as well as for regulating various body functions such as digestion. The sources of proteins are pulses, eggs, fish, milk, chicken, soya bean, nut, grams, etc. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. Vitamins. Various biochemical reactions in our body. Fruits, vegetables, grains, meat products are good source of vitamins. Vitamins are called as protective food. There are 6 major vitamins: A, B, C, D, E and K. Vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble. Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble. Vitamins types, function and deficiency diseases. Vitamin A found abundantly in diseases we get if deficiency in these symptoms. Vitamin A: fish oil, egg, milk, ghee, carrot, corn, yellow fruits, greens. Night blindness, poor vision, difficulty in seeing in dim light. Vitamin B: whole grain, unpolished rice, milk, fish, meat, peas, lentils, green vegetables. Deficiency disease: beriberi, nervous weakness, fatigue. Vitamin C: oranges, gooseberry, green chili and tomato. Deficiency disease: scurvy. Symptoms: bleeding gums. Vitamin D: fish, oil, milk and eggs. It is also made in our skin using sunlight. Deficiency disease: rickets. Symptoms: weak, flexible bones. Vitamin E: vegetable oils, green vegetables, whole wheat, mango, apple, greens. Deficiency diseases: nervous weakness, dimming of eyesight. Symptoms: childness, lack of resistance power to illness. Vitamin K: green vegetable, tomato, cabbage, eggs, milk products. Deficiency disease: weakness of the bones, teeth, etc. Even a small cut bleeds profusely. Fact file. Sunscreen lotion reduces your skin's ability to produce vitamin D by up to 95%, which may lead to vitamin D deficiency. Gooseberries contains nearly 20 times the vitamin C than orange. Minerals. Minerals are required for growth as well as for the regulation of normal body function. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, pulses, eggs, milk, fish and fruits are important source of minerals in our diet. Minerals are also a protective foods. Minerals and their functions: calcium, strong bones and teeth, clotting of blood; phosphorus, strong bones and teeth; iodine, synthesis of thyroid hormone; iron, formation of hemoglobin and brain development. Fact file. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron and proteins. It also contains powerful antioxidants. Muringakiri. 80% of the world productions of moringa leaves is in India. The major countries which import moringa leaves are China, US, Germany, Canada, South Korea and European countries. Water. Our body needs an adequate supply of water in order to maintain good health. Any human being should take minimum 8 tumblers, 2 liters of water every day. Health and nutrients. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely absence of disease. Eating a healthy diet keeps you physically and mentally fit. When you are physically healthy, you feel confident. You are more outgoing and have a greater capacity for enjoying life. Unhealthy food choices lead to obesity and illness, preventing you from socializing with friends and family, so choose your diet carefully. Balanced diet. A diet should contain adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity, and increase the capacity to work, good physical and mental health, increase the capacity to resist diseases, help in proper growth of the body. A balanced diet contains sufficient amount of various nutrients to ensure good health. Food should also provide the appropriate amount of energy and adequate amount of water. Balanced diet: fat, oil and sweets, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk, yogurt and cheese, fruits and vegetables, bread, cereal, rice and pasta. Malnutrition. The children are in this condition due to malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in the proper proportion from the diet. The word malnutrition refers to the condition that results when a person does not take a balanced diet. Malnutrition leads to deficiency disease. The diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrients in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Proteins and mineral deficiency diseases. Protein diseases and their symptoms: kwashiorkor, stunted growth, swelling of face and limbs, diarrhea; marasmus, skinny appearance, slow body growth. Mineral and deficiency diseases: calcium, rickets; phosphorus, osteomalacia; iodine, cretinism in child, goiter in adult; iron, anemia. Do you know India has the second highest number of obese children in the world after China? According to a study that has found that 14.4 million children in the country have excess weight. Physical exercise and rest. Physical activities: playing games, sports, yoga, exercise, dance and active living. Physical exercise is any body activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness and overall health and wellness. It is performed for various reasons, including increase in growth and development, straightening muscles and the cardiovascular system, developing athletic skills, weight loss or maintenance, and enjoyment. Physical exercise may help to decrease some of the effects of childhood and adult obesity. Rest. Proper amount of rest is essential for physical and mental health. Rest is as important as nutrition and physical activity for growth and development and good health. Personal cleanliness. Hygiene is a set of practices performed to preserve health. According to the WHO, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene involves those practices performed by an individual to care for one's bodily health and well being through cleanliness. It includes such personal habit choices as how frequently to bath, wash hands, trim fingernails, and change clothing. It also includes attention to keep surfaces in the home and workplace, including bathroom facilities, clean and pathogen free. Introduction of microbes. When you neglect personal hygiene, you are increasing the risk of falling sick. Let us name some of the diseases or conditions caused by microorganisms due to negligence of personal hygiene. Diarrhea, tooth decay, acid food, mother's food, dandruff. Do you believe that there are some organisms which you cannot see with your naked eyes? Yes, microbes cannot be seen without the help of a microscope. Most of the microbes belong to four major groups: bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi. Bacteria. Bacteria are very small prokaryotic microorganisms. Bacteria cells do not have nucleus and do not usually have membrane bound organelles. Bacteria can exist either as independent organisms or as parasites. They invade tissues. They produce pus or harmful waste. Bacterial diseases and mode of transmission: cholera, contaminated water; pneumonia, inhalation of airborne droplets from a sneeze or cough; tetanus, contamination of wounds with the bacteria; tuberculosis (TB), inhalation of airborne droplets from a sneeze or cough; typhoid, contaminated food or water. Disease. Disease is a definite pathological process having a characteristic set of signs and symptoms. Disorder is a derangement or abnormality of function. Virus. Virus is an acellular agent that replicates only inside the walls of other living organisms. Virus can infect all types of life from plant, animals, and microorganisms. They invade living normal cells and use the cell machinery to multiply. They can kill, damage, or change the cells and make you sick. Virus envelope protein, envelope, viral genome, nucleocapsid, viral tegumen. Diseases caused by virus: common cold, influenza, hepatitis, polio, smallpox, chickenpox, and measles. Microscope help to study the structure of microorganisms. Points to remember: there are six major nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Kwashiorkor and marasmus are protein deficiency diseases. Night blindness, scurvy, rickets, and beriberi are vitamin deficiency diseases. Bacteria is a prokaryotic microorganism. Cholera, typhoid, and pneumonia are bacterial diseases. Influenza, common cold, and chickenpox are viral diseases. Thank you.